Hello again. So in one of the other videos I'm going to show, I am going to talk about incubation. And incubation is when something is being held at a warm temperature and can start to grow. So here we have a turkey. This is our special friend. This is Garp. Garp is a female turkey, and I'm not quite sure what breed of turkey she is. She was given to me as a gift for lending out my incubator to a neighbor. And I thought Garp was a male for a long time until she laid an egg. And clearly she's not a male, she's a female. I just thought she was very late in getting all her beautiful red colors and different facial features. But turns out she's a female, and we love Garp. Garp is so sweet. We call Garp our therapy turkey, because Garp just will let you sit and pet her. She would probably sit for over an hour, and I think she has, and let people just love her because she's so beautiful. But Garp has decided that she wants to become a mother, and that is fantastic. We want Garp to become a mother. Motherhood is a great experience, and I encourage all my animals to have one baby at one time in their lives. And Garp is going to try her hardest to sit on these eggs and warm them with her body for the next 30 days. And then after she warms these eggs for 30 days with her body, hopefully they will develop into a beautiful baby and hatch out of the eggs she is sitting on. Now there's a problem. You can only have eggs develop that are fertilized, which means that the information from the female in the egg, that is the egg, and the male are in that egg. Unfortunately, we don't have a male turkey, a tom turkey, to fertilize her eggs, which means she does not have eggs that will hatch. She does not have turkey eggs that will hatch. And that would make her sad eventually, because she would sit and sit and sit and sit and sit, and she would probably sit for a couple of months and no babies would arrive. But Garp didn't sit on turkey eggs. No. Garp found a nest of eggs that she thought would be a wonderful nest to hatch out. So Garp is not sitting on her own turkey eggs at all. Garp is sitting on 10 goose eggs. Yes. These two, which are putting on a show right now about how fertilization happens, these two have laid 10, well, the girl, the white one, laid 10 fertilized eggs in this nest, but she never sat on her own eggs. So Garp has decided that she is going to be the one to fertilize them, or incubate them. Hi, Garp. Now I wonder if I can show you a picture, or there we go. There are some goose eggs, and you can see the goose egg is only as big as or just about as big as my hand. And she has 10 goose eggs under her. Thank you, Garp. You're a good mama. I know you'll be a good mama. There you go. Cover them back up. Garp's only been sitting on this nest for about 3 days now, since about the 2nd of May, or the 3rd of May. I can't remember. I should write that down. Now it's on a video, so now I'll remember. So 2 or 3 days. So she has a long time still to sit and wait, because goose eggs take about 30 days to hatch out of their egg. So she's got a while to wait. It's a good job, Garp. And because it is the springtime, and that's the time that these things happen, you see, if you could just smell what I'm smelling right now. Beautiful lilac tree is so fragrant. It's beautiful. I love it. But again, because it is the time for animals to have babies and think about having babies, we do have another bird over here. This is a chicken. And this little chicken is also sitting on a nest of eggs. That was a noisy car going up the road. And she is incubating some eggs as well. Now, she also isn't sitting on all of her own eggs because she also found a nest, and this was a storage spot for me to put some eggs. And then she found them. So let's see, she might not be super happy about this. Not like Garp, who's so friendly. They like to protect their nest. Well, let's see what she's sitting on. Oh, look. She's also sitting on a goose egg. Hey, don't peck me, please. A goose egg under her. And I happen to know that she has some chicken eggs of different colors. Oh no, I'm sorry. I won't bug you after this. So she has some chicken eggs of differing colors. Each chicken lays an egg that's their own kind of egg. So I'm not sure which one is this chicken's egg. I actually think she lays a green egg. So, or an olive colored egg, whatever color you'd like to call that. So I think those are her eggs right there. And these are a different chicken's eggs that they use the same nest. But each chicken will always lay the same colored egg. So I think she's the green layer. They don't lay different colored eggs on different colored days. So if she lays green eggs, she's always going to lay green eggs. So she's sitting on 8 chicken eggs and 4 goose eggs. I don't know how they all fit underneath her, but I will let her rearrange herself now that I've bothered her. Now, she's been sitting on these eggs for just over a week, and I will have to take her, and that's all sorts of noise, I will have to take the goose eggs away from her before her chicken eggs hatch and put them in the incubator, because chicken eggs hatch at 21 days of incubation time and goose eggs hatch at about 30 days of incubation time. So she'll have her chicken babies hatch, and then it would take a lot longer to hatch those goose eggs, and she'd have to feed her babies and leave the nest. So the goose eggs would never reach full incubation time, and they would not hatch. So I'll have to take them away from her. But that's okay. I could put them in the incubator and finish them off. Chickens make great mothers, but sometimes not great mothers to ducks or geese, because ducklings and goslings need water and they like to swim. And even though I've seen a chicken mother have a baby duck, they kind of freak out a little bit when the ducklings are going into water because they're not used to water like that. Wow, we have a lot of noise. Did you just lay an egg? Are you telling me all about it? Sometimes after they lay an egg, they need to tell the world. So I'm not sure if she just laid an egg and needs to tell me about it. But let's quickly look inside. I don't think they would lay in this pen. I haven't cleaned it out. They usually don't. No, see no eggs. But thank you for talking to me. Yes, very nice. Anyhow, that is a little bit about eggs, incubation, and our lovely mothers-to-be. Hopefully we'll have some lovely chicks and goslings. Thank you.